Everyone thinks the best-selling LED light bars are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Nightlight 60W Light Bar. First up is the Nightlight LED Light Bar. Priced at just $26.99, this product caught my eye not just for its affordability, but also because it comes with a wiring harness. If you want reliable off-road lighting that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. What stands out with the Nightlight is its combination of spot and flood beams. With 20 high-intensity 3W LEDs, it offers excellent brightness, lighting up your path whether you're on a dark road or working on a project outside. You're looking at 60 total watts and a solid waterproof rating of IP67, meaning you can take a good rain without missing a beat. Plus, the heat dissipation design means it won't overheat even during extended use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're out in rough terrain, you need something that can withstand the elements without failing. Now, some people complained about the installation process being tricky. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the detailed instructions included, you should be fine. It can be a bit daunting for first-timers, but it's manageable with a little patience. This is perfect for you if you're an off-road enthusiast or just need extra light for outdoor tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features or higher wattage. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if Nightlight's installation complexity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its ease of use. Product number 2, Cuntis Monitor Light Bar. Next, let's talk about the Cuntis Computer Monitor Lamp, priced at $39.95. This product caught my attention because it's designed specifically for those who spend long hours in front of screens. If you want to protect your eyes while enhancing your workspace, this is definitely worth a look. What makes the Cuntis special is its flicker-free technology and adjustable color temperature. This means it can significantly reduce eye strain, especially if you're working late into the night. The auto-dimming feature intelligently adjusts the brightness based on your surroundings, so you're never straining to see your screen. Plus, it clips onto your monitor, saving precious desk space, which is ideal if you're working in a cramped area. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a designer or someone who works with colors, the high CRI, Color Rendering Index, ensures you see true colors, reducing the chance of errors. However, some users noted that the clamp can be a bit wobbly. Now, I'll be real with you. While it can be a little annoying, it doesn't impact the light's performance and is manageable with some adjustments. This is perfect for you if you're a remote worker or student who spends hours in front of a computer. Skip this one if you're looking for something that doubles as a regular desk lamp. It's a worthwhile investment for eye care and comfort. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing portable lighting. Product number 3, MCGOR Motion Sensor Lights. Coming in at a budget-friendly price of $16.99, we have the MCGOR under cabinet lighting. This one caught my eye because it's super convenient for areas that need a little extra light without the fuss of wiring. If you want easy, motion-activated lighting, this is worth considering. The MCGOR lights feature a motion sensor that detects movement up to 10 feet away. Imagine walking into your kitchen or closet and having the lights turn on automatically. That's exactly how this works. With 180 lumens of brightness and 5 dimmable settings, you can customize how bright you need it based on the task. The rechargeable battery lasts between 7 to 45 days depending on your usage, which is really impressive. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you need lighting that's flexible for different areas and tasks, this takes the cake. However, some users mentioned that it may not be bright enough for larger spaces. Here's the thing though, it's really designed for smaller areas like cabinets or stairways, which makes its brightness perfectly adequate for those scenarios. This is perfect for you if you need quick and easy lighting solutions for your kitchen or closet. Skip this one if you need high-intensity lighting for larger areas. For its price, it's a great deal. Now, if MCGOR's brightness concern worried you, the next product on my list has a powerful output that might just blow you away. Product number 4, Zmoon 12-inch Light Bar. Next up is the Zmoon 12-inch LED Light Bar, priced at $23.98. I found this light bar interesting because it offers an impressive 8,000 lumens of brightness. If you want something that truly lights up the night, this is definitely worth a look. The Zmoon features a spot and flood combo beam, with 30-degree spots allowing for long-distance visibility and 170-degree floodlights to illuminate your surroundings. This is perfect for those who frequently drive in dark, rural areas or off-road conditions. It's also IP67 waterproof, so it can take whatever Mother Nature throws at it. Plus, with a lifespan of 50,000 hours, you're investing in something that is built to last. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in the market for serious off-road lighting, you need durability and brightness, and the Zmoon delivers on both. Some users did express concerns about the mounting brackets not being the sturdiest. Now, I'll be honest, while that could be a drawback, many found that a little extra reinforcement does the trick, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable light bar for off-roading or outdoor activities. Skip this one if you're just looking for something for general use. For the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck here. All right, let's move on to our final product, which takes a more colorful approach for interior lighting. Product number 5, Benrium RGB under cabinet lights. Lastly, we have the Benrium RGB under cabinet lights, retailing at $19.99. This caught my eye because it adds a fun twist to traditional under cabinet lighting. If you want to set the mood with colorful lighting, this is definitely worth checking out. What's unique about the Benrium lights is that it features 16 million color options, allowing you to customize your space however you like. Whether you're hosting a party or just want some relaxing ambient light while unwinding, this gives you the flexibility you need. It also comes with both an app and remote control for easy adjustments. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you enjoy hosting or just want to add a personal touch to your space, this makes your lighting experience dynamic and fun. On the downside, some users reported that the app can be a bit glitchy at times. Now, I'll be real with you. While that's frustrating, the remote control works just fine, so you can still enjoy the product without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you love customizable lighting for your kitchen or workspace. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward, traditional light setup. For what you're getting, it's a great value for colorful lighting options. So, to quickly recap, the Nightlight offers budget-friendly functionality. The Kuntis is perfect for eye care. The MCGR provides convenient motion-activated lighting. The Zmoon delivers heavy-duty performance, and the Benrium adds a splash of color to your space. Each of these has its unique strengths, so consider what fits your needs best.